How to set dry hair. There are several ways to style and set dry hair. This can be achieved by using Velcro rollers, a hair straightener, a curling iron, hot rollers, and hair products. Using one or multiple setting methods can help you achieve great hair all day long. Method 1. Using Velcro rollers. 1. Work a styling product through your hair. Use your favorite styling mousse, spray, or gel. Apply the product to your hair with your fingertips. Begin by working the product near the roots of your hair. Continue applying the product as you work your way down to the tips of the strands. Use a small amount of product. 2. Place the rollers in your hair. Grab a small section of hair and begin wrapping it around the roller. Start by placing the roller at the bottom of the strands and begin rolling it up towards your scalp. Be sure to tuck the hair as you roll the roller up towards your head. Leave the rollers in for about 20 minutes. Use small rollers for a cooler hairstyle. Use big rollers for big, voluminous waves. 3. Blast the hair with a hairdryer. Before removing the rollers, set the hair in place using a hairdryer. Blast the rollers for a couple of minutes with the heat setting on the hairdryer. Then, flip to the cold setting on the hairdryer to set the hair and minimize flyaways. 4. Remove the rollers. Carefully remove each section of hair from the roller. Lightly work your fingertips through the new curls to put them in place. Use a wide-tooth comb to brush through the hair for a wavy look. Set the style with hairspray. Remove the bottom rollers first. Method 2. Setting hair with heat. 1. Use a hair straightener. Set and style straight hair using a straightener. Straighteners can be used to smooth and straighten untamed hair. They can also be used to create curls and waves. Create curls by clamping the straightener down near the root of the hair and twisting your wrist while pulling it through the length of the hair. Apply a heat protector product before using a hot hair straightener. 2. Boost the volume of your hair with hot rollers. Create waves or curls using hot rollers. This technique is similar to Velcro rollers. Divide the hair into sections and roll it into the hot rollers. Begin each roller at the bottom of the strands and tuck the hair as you roll the roller towards your scalp. Clip each roller into place and then allow the rollers to cool. Comb or finger through the curls to set them into place. Make sure that the hair is wrapped tightly around the hot roller. Use the pins provided to secure the roller in place. Do not put hot rollers in wet hair. 3. Style your hair with a curling iron. Dry hair can also be styled and set with a curling iron. Divide the hair into small sections and wrap each section around the curling iron. If you are using a curling iron with a clamp, clamp the tip of the strands and roll the curling iron towards the scalp. If you are using a curling wand, simply wrap the hair around the wand with your fingers. Set the curls using hairspray. Apply a heat protector product before using a hot curling iron. Use a heat-protecting glove if you are using a curling wand. Use a large barrel iron for a more wavy look. Use a small barrel to create tighter curls. Method 3. Setting your hair with products. 1. Apply mousse before styling your hair. Work a small amount of styling mousse through your hair before styling your hair to keep body and volume throughout the day. Mousse works similarly to gel except helps set your hair while also allowing the hair to move freely. 2. Use hair setting lotion. Hair lotion should be applied to your hair while it is still damp. Add hair lotion after a shower to ensure that your dry hair sets. Many hair lotions require you to sprinkle it directly on your hair rather than working it through your hair with your fingers. 3. Set your hairstyle with hairspray. Once you have styled your hair, applying hairspray can help the hairstyle last all day. Hold the can of hairspray at least 12 inches from your head to prevent the individual hairs from sticking together. Spray the hairspray under the strands and near your roots to give your hair extra volume. Tips. Regardless of your styling method, set the style with hairspray to maintain the hairstyle throughout the day. Use a heat protector product before applying heat to your hair. Warnings. Applying too much heat too frequently can damage your hair.